Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is another recipe in the ongoing series where we are still learning to cook with our pressure cooker. And today we are going to make some lovely mutton curry in the pressure cooker, and then we're going to turn it into a nice bunny chow. So we are going to use the basic mutton curry recipe, but a little bit of changes to it. For the list of the ingredients and how much we used, follow the link above. To start off, I'm going to press the sauté function, and then I will press the start, so it's going to warm up. I reset the time to 10 minutes, and now my pressure cooker is warmed up and I'm ready to braise. Now I'm going to put in my half a cup of oil and let it to warm up. I'm going to add in my onions, which is 1 onion that are sliced. And then I'll allow this to fry. Now my onions are halfway done. So I'm going to add in my cinnamon stick, my bay leaf, and my salt. Give it a good mix and allow it to fry. I'm adding in my curry leaf and my thyme, and then my ginger garlic. To that I'm adding in my masala, my hardi, I have my mutton, of which I cut, washed, drained, and I marinated it overnight. So I'm going to add it into the pressure cooker. I give it a good mix. And to that I'm also going to add in my salt, but we'll taste the salt. That was 1 teaspoon salt, because our marinade also have salt. I'm going to allow the mutton to fry for 10 to 15 minutes till its own fats fry out. 15 minutes pass, and we added a liter of water to cover the meat. In a normal pot, usually your meat will come to the fry. Now I'm going to put the lid on and seal. Thereafter, I'm going to use the meat function, and then I will give the meat 30 minutes. We'll give our meat 30 minutes, and thereafter we will check it and let it cool, and thereafter add our potatoes to it. "30 minutes has passed, and I will check how far the meat is cooked. The seal sometimes gets stuck. Oh, the mutton is very soft. Now we are ready to add our potato to the meat. And the tomatoes. We will put this lid back on and seal it, and then start cooking again to meat. So it's set it to 15. We'll allow it to start to cook again. 15 minutes has passed. Now I'm going to check on the curry. Oh yes, the curry is done, but there is a lot of gravy to it. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this curry and put it in a pot and let it reduce the gravy till it's thick. Here's my mutton curry. We gave it 10 minutes on the stove to reduce some of the gravy, and now I'm ready to garnish. It's looking very beautiful, but for me, I still prefer cooking the old school. If you are pushed for time, your pressure cooker is a very useful tool, and it can make a very beautiful curry like this mutton. Now we're ready to serve our mutton curry in a bunny. There you are, your mutton bunny, the lamb that was cooked in my pressure cooker and served with some extra nice gravy and some freshly made salad. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.